Vivo has launched its latest book-style foldable smartphone, the Vivo X Fold 6, in China. The phone will be available in Blue Hole, Salt Lake, and Polar Night shades. A special black gold edition with gold accents will also be available. The Vivo X Fold 6 features an 8.02-inch AMOLED foldable display. The outer display measures 6.51 inches with 120Hz LTPO refresh rate. Powering the foldable is MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 Super Edition chipset paired with the Vivo V3 Plus imaging chip, LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. The Vivo X Fold 6's rear camera setup comprises a 200-megapixel Samsung HPB primary camera with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel Sony LYTIA602 periscope telephoto camera. Feature 20-megapixel selfie cameras. The phone packs a 7,000 mAh Blue Ocean battery with 80W wired charging, 40W wireless charging and 5W reverse charging. Pricing starts at 7,999 yuan for the base 12GB per 256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.